Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for always watching my video. God bless you. To new and old subscribers, God bless you for coming back again. Thank you so much. Yes, today I'm back with another video. This is artichokes. This is very nutritious. In fact, I don't know how to explain, but I just pick some of the benefits that will make you to put this as one of your meal. Yeah, it improves liver health, improves kidney health, improves digestive health, ease symptom of irritable bowel syndrome, has lower blood pressure, has an anti-cancer effect, prevents stomach ulcer, potential as an alternative cancer treatment, supports healthy eyesight. Guys, it's just a few. I just try to bring out a few. This is very nutritious, so I want you to start adding it to your meal, especially if you're living in Europe. If you want to treat kidney, wash your liver, you need this. Guys, this is how to do it. I have this on my channel. I have about 2 videos, many ways of doing this. So this is one of the way you can use it to eat your pasta spaghetti. So I just want to use it to prepare the spaghetti to show you how to use it. Guys, this is very nutritious and I don't know how I will explain it to you for you to understand, but it's good that you start adding it to your meal. It has season, so anytime it comes out, try to put it to your meal. Yeah, it's somehow costly, but it's worth it. But when it is a season, it doesn't cost like that. Like this, we have it like this is about 1 crate, and it has a 20 inside of the crate. Is €5 for now, and this is a season. But when it is out of season, you can get like 5. I'm telling you guys, 5 for €5. 5 for €5. You know why I added that lemon? To not allow it to darken. Yeah, when you're peeling it, try to add a lemon so that it will not, lemon juice, so that it will not be darkened when you're cutting it. So this is one of the way. We have many ways of cooking it depending on the way what you want to do, you understand. So it's very good to eat. I want you to add it to your meal. Add it to your meal. We eat a lot of sweet things. We never want to eat vegetable. This is kind of a flower bud. Guys, you can Google it. I always like people to see things by themselves and see how it is working. Yeah, it's very nice. Since I noticed the benefit of this, it's been a very long time. I've been adding it to my meal. If you go down to my videos, you see that I've made videos, yes, with this. Anytime it is season, we eat it in the family. So I want to show you how I use it for the spaghetti or pasta. So you first of all cut it. You see the way I remove the back. If you really want to know how to remove the back and how to do it, I have the video. I'm going to drop the link for it. So I use part of the water, part of the boiling water for the spaghetti, and add it to it. Yeah. Allow it to cook. Add all the necessary ingredients, any kind of ingredients you want to, but never forget to put garlic. Garlic is very important in this. Yeah, garlic, parsley, any kind of ingredient you can add, anything, your stock cube, but it's good to eat natural. Okay, so this is a bay leaf. I added bay leaves. This is clove of garlic. Already sliced. Then extra virgin oil is very important. Cover to cook. This is after 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, I added the homemade stock cube. Guys, if you have not watched this video, try to make your own homemade stock cube. I'll drop the link also. This is paprika. All this I'm adding is just your choice. Yeah. Paprika powder. It doesn't need too much ingredient because you need to have the taste of the veggie. This is ginger powder. This is mixture of garlic and the chili pepper. It's optional. Guys, you can see one thing about this veggies that is very, very healthy. If you want to clear your livers from toxins, you need this. If you want to open your bowels, somebody constipation, you need this. Then this is 10 minutes later. Yeah, this is how I want to make the I want to make the spaghetti. I added the tuna, this is kind of sauce. So I needed this so that my spaghetti will get taste. I'm removing the bay leaf. Yeah, remove it. You can use this as it is now after preparing the dough for your pizza, and you pour it on top of it and put in the oven. Yeah. This is cooking cream. We call it panna here. Guys, this is yummy. Oh, yummy and healthy. This is my spaghetti. The food is getting ready. It's getting ready. Okay, I added the parsley leaves. Then turn everything together. Allow it to heat up for some time. Then the food will be ready. Guys, everything in this food is consumable. Nothing will be removed. So, I'm about to dish out. Yeah. I'm about to dish out the food. Wow, I'm hungry. Guys, are you hungry? One thing is to eat food and another thing is to eat healthy food. This is one of the healthy foods. So this is it. This is it. Guys, if you're watching up to this period, you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Oh yeah, do it now. It is ready. And hit the notification bell that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to know. Yeah. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Have you liked this video? Let me speak like flushing. Like this video, comment and subscribe. Okay, guys, see you next time. my next video. Bye.